Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Tampa, Florida for a returning customer. I've been here maybe about 3 or 4 times in the last 3 years. These people here, they live on kind of like a conservation type pond back here. It floods really bad. So when we had the hurricane, the whole yard floods. They got pavers back here. The pavers just get destroyed because it stays underwater for weeks sometimes. So today we're back. The water is receded and we're able to clean everything up. They also got a small little lanai right there. They got a composite deck right here we're gonna do, and then he wants the top of this railing done that has some algae on it. But also we're gonna be cleaning these stones here. You can see it's still kind of wet and muddy down there, but this is what we're here for. This deck, I mean, this thing is caked up, y'all, but when it's clean, it comes out so good. Normally what I do is I clean it up, I pre-treat it, and I clean it up, and then I post-treat it afterwards. I mean, it looks so good once I'm done. We'll be doing this little fire pit area. You can see how bad this area is. I mean, this whole thing was underwater. We'll be doing this lanai. I wonder what this stuff is on there. It's like easy to come off though. We'll be doing this lanai, the inside of it, and also the screen. I haven't done this in a couple of years. So it's starting to get green. You can see green all over through here. All on the beams inside. So we get that cleaned up. And this railing, he wants all that algae off the top. It's a little cool outside today, so may have to let the SH sit a little longer to dwell before I start cleaning. I'm gonna downstream the mix in the beginning portion, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna probably hit it with maybe like a 4 to 5% post treat to kill anything that's left over. Alright, y'all, if y'all haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you got questions. Hit the bell so you know when I put up new content. The water flow here is a little bad, so I'm letting it fill up, and we get going shortly. Right now it's 9:17 in the morning. This normally takes less than about an hour. I say about an hour. So I should be done by like 10:15, give or take 10:30. So y'all stay tuned. All right, now we got everything treated. Gonna let this thing sit for a little bit, and before we start rinsing it. I just applied, so it's gonna take a little while to work, but you can see it's coming off like butter. Gonna let this thing sit. Got all kind of stuff right here. Oh my gosh. And especially let this sit for a while, because this one was filthy. This can sit longer. The deck is composite, so it's gonna be easy to rinse. I'm gonna use the M5 Twist Nozzle to rinse that off. I'll probably use the same for the tops of those railing. Look like this. It's the same material up here, so it should come off pretty easy. You can see here. But we'll let this sit for a little bit longer because it's pretty bad. I'll go ahead and start rinsing the deck now. Alright, y'all, so we got done rinsing the deck. I went ahead and rinsed the tops of this railing. There is some algae left over. The downstream mix is a little too weak, so I'm gonna use the soft wash system to spray a little bit of stronger mix on it. If you have a pump up, that works as well. You can see here we got some left over. Like I said, it's kind of cool out here too, and I let it sit for a while, and it's still on here, so I'm gonna bump the mix up just a little bit. This is a composite deck. It's not like regular wood, so it's not gonna turn colors if you put a little bit of stronger mix on it. I mean, I won't put no 6% or nothing on here. I mean, probably could, but because it's like a plastic, you probably could. So I'm probably gonna use like maybe like the same mix I put on here, maybe like a 4%, and I won't let it sit on there that long. Probably let it sit on there for a couple of minutes and then rinse it off. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this now. I know the drainage in here is bad, so you know, see just the water I rinsed from the deck has already piled up here, so I know it's gonna be a lot of water over here. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, get this knocked out, post treat that, use the same mix to hit the railing and rinse it off on the way out. But the cage itself is done over here. I still got to clean inside. You can see the framing is nice and clean. Had a lot of algae build up on it. It's all cleaned up, and same thing for the inside. Got that clean. So we're gonna do this deck in here and the deck out there, rinse, post treat, hit these rails, and be out of here. Alright guys, so now this thing is clean, rinsed. I'm gonna put the post treatment on here now. It looks pretty good so far, but this mud and stuff was sitting on there for some time, some weeks. So we're gonna hit that. Also hit the side wall, hit those the little seat area over there, seating area over there, and this area will be good to go. 10-11 right now. Making good progress. I'm gonna grab the hose and hit this thing with a post treatment. All right, we all finished here. Everything's drying up nicely. Loving the project and the results. Let's check it out. So this is the deck here. Got the wall done. Pavers are nice and clean. Fire pit. This is a nice little area, man. I love this right here. This is nice and clean as well. Got this area right here settled, water settles there. Nothing I can really do. I got my footprints I gotta rinse off. I was gonna clean this for him, but as you guys can see, water settles right there. Nothing I can do about that. Up here is cleaned up. Cage is drying up, and it's already looking bright. I cleaned in there, post treated as well. I did have to go, like I said, a 4% mix on the railing, the composite top. Clean it off, and it looks pretty good, man. This is the tops right here, you can see. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, well, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you give me a like if you're loving the content. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell so you know when I put up new content. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Peace.